Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Alberta, or 9 miles east of Foley, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ensley, Gonzales, Lillian, Molino, and Alberta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and Escambia, Florida.